Hi guys, this is our proposal. It is over medicinal marijuana and using the funds to better the economy, teacher salaries, and the education system itself. Um, the problem is that educators' starting salary in Oklahoma is $31,919. This is less than some employees make every year who work at gas stations. Teachers have thousands in student loans and cannot pay them back due to the low wage that they are making. And some of these teachers have been employed with the school system for 10 to 15 years. In 2018, there was $2 billion in revenue that was not allowed to be allotted for teacher salary. Oklahoma does hold the title for the lowest paid teacher salary in the country. To review for possible increase in funding in areas of the public school system is the main objective that we are focusing on. We need to look at redistributing the funds that are obtained from medicinal marijuana. We need to look at increasing educator salaries to a sustainable wage. Um, and we need to also look at it to bring in money for the school system itself. Books, computers, etc. Everything that would pertain to advancing the school system.